Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today we're going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and we're going to create a new whistle. I had created one earlier, but I think I need to make some changes to it, and so we're going to go ahead and do that. Going to create a little bit bigger whistle. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go to New Design, change the plan view, come up here to File, make sure that this is in inches. So we'll come down here to the options, go to navigate to units, change from metric to imperial. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start drawing here. We're going to draw a 1 inch circle. And we're going to drag our line out here from the midpoint straight out. We're going to go 2.125. Okay. Now we're going to go drop this down 1/4 of an inch. So we'll go ahead and offset this down 0.25. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cap this off here at the end, endpoint to endpoint. Now we're going to get the 3-point arch, and we're going to come from here over to here. And then we'll select a click off. Now we're going to get our create rounded corners. I'm going to pull that to 1.716. Okay. Now we need to actually make the inside pieces. We need to offset this. So let's go ahead and delete this piece here. And then we need to offset this one. So we'll go ahead and offset. We're going to move this in 0.1. Okay, now we're going to bring this down 0.1. And then we're going to, let's move this up 0.1. Okay, now we're going to go get a line tool there, grab our line tool. We're going to come straight across through here like this. All right. I'm going to make this I'm going to offset this a little bit more. So we're going to come in here and grab that. Offset it 0.04. 0.04, enter. Okay, now you're going to grab that one and offset 0.04. And do the same with the bottom one, 0.04. Okay. Now let's get rid of these. Okay, so this is going to be our spot that has the air in it. Now we're going to offset this piece here, 0.01. Oh, no, actually undo that, 0.1, 0.1. Oh, this is not 0.1, it must be 0.5. 0.05. Okay. Or actually, let's just undo that. Let's grab our line tool. Let's go from here. And we'll just go straight across. Okay, so this is going to be the opening for the air. And now we're going to go ahead and trim. So let's get our trim away. Let's go ahead and get a line in here. Let's go turn on the snaps. Let's go from there straight down. And then we want to come over to here. Straight up. Okay, now you want to go ahead and trim these. Let's trim all this stuff out of here. Okay, it's going to be something like this. Okay, let's go ahead and round this sharp corner right here. Okay, do the same on the inside here. Alright, now I'm going to move this over. So we're going to offset this. Right to there. Now let's Control plus, zoom in. Go ahead and get rid of this line right here, and then we'll go ahead and go up here to create corner. We'll do this one here, this one here. Okay, that's going to be, this right here is going to be the opening when the air is going to blow in. Then we're going to go ahead and trim this here. Let's pan over. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and this needs to be extruded here, and then we need to actually put another piece on the outside. So this needs to be trimmed out here. Something like this. Okay, now we're going to spin this. Let's go ahead and go to pull. We're going to pull these two pieces here. And we're going to pull them 0.75. So let's go from both sides and type in 0.75. Okay, so you're going to have a piece like this. Okay, this is going to be where the air comes through. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and pull this piece here, and then let's pull this from both sides. Then you're going to go up to here. Now it's going to be okay. Now let's go back to the top view. Now you're going to go ahead and put a piece on here. So this is going to be, alright, so you need to click there, select that one, select that one, select these, all these pieces here, then you're going to select this top piece, and now you're going to Control C, Control V, and spin this. Now you're going to go ahead and let's grab the blue, let's pull that out a little bit. Okay, now let's go ahead and get let's go to top view, let's go to the 3D, and now let's go put a line in there, get your line tool. Alright, let's get this. Oh, that's going to be hard to find that end piece. Let's just go up here and create a piece there. And then do the same down here. Let's go to this. And then create a piece over here. Actually, you know what? You need to get the line tool. Let's go to from there down to there. All right. Now you got a piece like this. So now you're going to go pull. I'm going to select this. Come down here to no merge. We don't want them to merge. Then you're going to go up to here. Or actually, no, we don't want that. We want to move it. So we're going to click on move. And then we're going to go up to here. Okay, now you're going to pull this. No merge. You're going to pull this out. 0.1. 0.1. Okay. All right, that's 0.1 right there. Okay. Now you're going to go ahead and get that solid. Then you're going to do a Control C, Control V, and then you're going to move it, and you're going to move it up to here. No, that didn't work. Spin. All right, let's move. Let's move this up over here. Okay, now go up to this point here. Up to here. It's not working. All right, let's spin this. Okay, this is how you want your whistle to beat. Let's pan down. Let's go ahead and select this one that we copied. Let's go move up to oh, that's weird, it's just not working. There we go, right there. Okay, let's spin this. All right, so this is how we want it. We want the whistle to be. So there needs to be a chamber right here of airflow that comes in and it whips around. So let's go ahead and do this to the top view. And now we're going to go ahead and put a plane in there. Now you're going to move this plane, go to move. Grab the blue, let's pull that in a little bit, and then do a K. Now we're going to go to plane view. Okay, now we're going to draw a circle in the inside here. 0.375. Okay, now you're going to draw a line from endpoint to midpoint. Get your trim away. Let's trim this. Now you're going to go ahead and go to the 3D mode. You're going to spin this so you can see what's inside there. Let's pan down. Let's go ahead and pull. Let's click on this face here. Let's rotate it. Rotate it around there. Full pull. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and get rid of this plane. And let's pan this down. Okay, this is going to be your whistle. The ball's in the middle there. You have your chamber. The earlier one, I didn't have a chamber on it, so let's Control minus. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to add a fillet to this. Let's go ahead and do an 0.05 fillet. Alright, let's spin this. Let's select this right here. And then we'll pull it. Let's do an 0.05. All right, that looks good. Spin that. And then we'll do the same over here. Pull this. 0.05. That's kind of weird. Let's undo a couple of these. All right, let's also get that piece there. And then let's spin this. Let's pull, do an 0.03. Okay, 0.03 is what we're going to do. You're going to spin that around. Let's click till everything's selected that we want to. Right there, do an 0.03. Okay, spin this. This looks like what we need. There's our air chamber on the inside, there's the ball. And the only other thing we want to put is a little piece right there. All right, let's go to top. Plan view. Let's go ahead and spin this. Let's put a line right here. Let's go to let's go back to the 3D mode. Let's click there. Let's go to plan view. Let's put a line across here, midpoint. Right there to there. All right, now we're going to spin this. We're going to click on select, click on the 3D mode. We're going to click on this surface here, create a plane, and then we're going to move that plane up to here. Okay, now we're going to go plan view. Now we're going to draw our lines that we need. Let's go from the center there. Do a Control plus. Let's pan up. Let's go ahead and offset this. 0.1. Offset this 0.1. All right, let's go. Put a line right here. Let's do a trim. Okay, let's get rid of these. Let's go ahead and get our 3-point arch. Alright, that's good there. Let's get our 3-point arch for here. Right there. Go ahead and trim. Let's get rid of these. Let's put a circle in there. .1. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Let's go pull. Let's pull this from both sides. .12. Let's make sure that's thick enough. Looks like it is. Okay, now select the click off. We're going to get rid of that plane. We don't need it. We're going to get rid of that circle there in the middle. Don't need it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select everything. 0.04, 0.02, 0.01. Okay, we're going to put a fillet in there of 0.01. And we're going to spin this around, do the same right there. Pull. 0.01. Okay. Spin this. Go ahead and put a fillet in there. 0.01. Now we'll spin this around, do a fillet on this side. 0.01. Alright, that's going to end today's tutorial. This is going to be our whistle. Let's go to top view. And let's go here. Let's put a plane out there. Let's spin this. I'm going to show you the inside real quick. We're going to go ahead and move this plane by grabbing the blue arrow, move it up, hit K. Select that, hit K. Now this is the difference between the one we did yesterday and the one we did today. This has a wind chamber in here, so basically your breath's going to come in here, it's going to roll around like this. It's going to spin the ball. So that's needed for a whistle to work properly. And this is just what you need. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go back to the 3D mode. Let's get rid of this plane. We don't need it. Let's make sure that this is good. We have our attachment. We can go ahead and get rid of this. Don't need that line there anymore. Got our little wind chamber. That works good. And that looks like that's going to be it. Okay, that's going to be our whistle. And the only other thing I might do is do a little fillet there. I'm trying to remember what I had. It was 0.03, I think. Yeah, 0.03. And then we'll put one on the bottom there too. 0.03. Alright, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of this video. This is going to be our whistle. Thanks again for watching.